Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNNLive. We're at the AdvaMed 2011 Conference, also known as the MedTech Conference, and we're in Washington, D.C., our nation's capital. I have Steve Ubl of AdvaMed. He's the CEO and president. Now, get ready. I'm going to throw a lot of accolades at you.
I'm ready.
Welcome to SNNLive, first of all.
Glad to be here. Thanks for being here.
This has been a gem. It's perfect. I mean, 99.9% is as high as we can go, right? Look, everybody's happy. The companies are gleeful. It's busy. You've got busy attendant. You've got full rooms. I mean, this is what you want.
Well, we're very proud that the conference has really become the premier event for the industry. So it's a great opportunity for CEOs to come network, to learn about the issues of the day, to hear from speakers who are actually making policy. And the content in the panels continues to grow and diversify. So I think the conference has really become a must-attend event.
You know, I sat in on your earliest press conference in the conference, and that was like well attended. We had 50 people from the press. And then it just went from there, and it got a crescendo. And then the president spoke, and that was enough to get me happy.
Well, the great thing about this conference is that it's also a platform for us to communicate our agenda, for policymakers to hear that agenda, and also look out on a large and diverse industry. And it sends the signal that these issues are important and have to be dealt with. So it's a great communications platform as well.
Well, it's also a place of where the AdvaMed folks interact with the industries that they represent, and it's a sounding board. You're hearing, this is what you have to do. You're getting what your constituency need from you, and you're giving them reports on what you're doing for them.
Absolutely. I mean, it really is the place to be in terms of information sharing. Everybody's learning from everybody. It's the state of the art here at AdvaMed. Next year we're going to Boston. It's going to get even bigger and better, and we appreciate your being here.
The companies that I've interviewed, and there's been many, I'm asking them, why AdvaMed? And they're from UK, they're from Denmark, Spain, Belgium. This is the most international conference I've been at in an awfully long time.
It's terrific to see the international growth. This is a global industry. We represent companies from all over the world, and AdvaMed is increasingly attracting those companies who want to learn more about the U.S. market, who want to know more about trends impacting the industry all over the world.
The other thing that I have to add is that, you've got Johnson & Johnson, a multi-billion-dollar, Fortune 100 company, and not far from there is a small company looking for help. That's incredible.
Well, small companies are such a vital part of our industry. Over 70% of our members actually are small companies with less than $100 million in revenue. So we care deeply about the success of small companies. We're very committed to programming. One of the key aspects of this meeting is to introduce small companies to potential funding partners or large strategic investors as well. So it's really geared toward the small entrepreneurial company.
I know you have to run. I know you got a busy schedule. Steve Ubl, AdvaMed, CEO, President, and CEO. What is your website? Because I know people are going to want to go there.
AdvaMed.org.
That was easy. Thanks for coming on to SNN.
Thank you very much.